Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add sticky notes to your tasks or pages or work items in the Plane Project Management application. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, you can do this for both for work items as well as pages in the Plane Project Management application. Simply make sure that you navigate to your workspace in the top left corner, select one of your projects on the left hand side, and navigate either to work items you've been working on or to a page. For the sake of this tutorial, I will go with a page like this one here, that untitled page. And you can add that sticky note basically anywhere you like on your page. You will find the sticky note button in the very top right corner of the display here. Click into it. And after that, select that plus button. And here you may simply add your sticky notes text, like for example, I don't know, important info or something like that. There you go, as you can see, sticky note has been created. You may customize the color of the background. You may apply bold letters, italic letters. You may add a to-do list, for example. You may view the sticky note in, for example, you may minimize it here, may delete it. And if you'd like to access them, guys, simply click into that button and you will see all saved sticky notes here, so that you may hover your mouse over it or access all stickies through that menu here. And that's basically it. You can of course create a new sticky note through that. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.